Hi, myself Mahesh Shinde. I have been working for this Hinduja Hospital for the last 20 years. I am working in the capacity of Director IT and Telecommunication for this hospital. So talking about these neural bits, it has been a joint journey with the neural bits and the application which we have been using as a Daito app. Okay, at the beginning we had been facing multiple problems. We have basically in-house software which was developed for more than a couple of years. Okay, but there were certain technology challenges and also a lot of human intervention was there. Okay, basically it was 50% manual and 50% computerized. And then we taken a decision, let's opt newer technology and go totally paperless, something like that. As a Hinduja is a frontier for adopting a latest technology. Okay, then we searched in the market, different types of companies were there. Okay, a few of the companies were in bits and pieces where they had few of the requirement as per our requisition. But when we saw about the neural bits, they had a best platform ready. Okay, and when we saw this product, then we gave a lot of POC and trial runs were given on this product, and then also the product was around 60 to 70% ready, and then we did around 30 to 25% customization to fulfill our requirement. Neural bits took that challenge, okay, and took the decision to work with us. The product name was called as a Daito. Okay, so initially when the customization and initially when we started with the implementation, there was few shortcomings which were addressed by the neural bits. This app is totally Android-based app, and all my dietitian carries the Android tab to the bedside of the patient and gives the order over there itself, which is passed on to the KOT. Okay, so it is in a totally paperless technology. Okay, and also a lot of hard work of neural bits is gone into this, along with our Hinduja staff and our dietitian. Lot of training was given to them. This has already enriched my patient experience, bringing a tab to the patient side and putting their requisition into the Daito app, which directly goes to the KOT, which directly creates a KOT and goes to the kitchen, and then your order is ready. Otherwise, in the previous step, what used to happen, they used to follow many things to do that. They used to take an order into the patient bedside, again they used to go to the kitchen side, again they have to cross check, and lot of time was wasted into this. But due to this newer technology, the turnaround time was improved. Okay, patient experience was improved. Drilling more into this software has very good capability of capturing the history of the patient. Okay, it also captures, this is a therapeutic diet, so it needs to capture what are types of allergies, then wants of the patients, dislikes of the patients, okay, whether patient is diabetic or non-diabetic, depending upon how diets has been prepared. Okay, and we as a hospital policy keep the backup or history of the patients for unlimited of time. Okay, this helps, and as the Daito app is on the Android-based app, okay, this helps my dietitian to pull the information of the patient on the tip of the fingers and to take a decision there and then, means what type of a diet can be given to them, and same thing is being automatically viewed at the kitchen. Since our hospital goes from the different types of accreditation like NABH, NABL, CAP accreditation, so there are certain requirements which we need to keep into a database. So since this software is there, now we keep each and every records are being maintained in a hospital itself. Okay, and their histories can be viewed by our dietitian. Moving forward, we are also going to have a more journey with neural bits. Okay, they are time to time they are going to enhance their product, which is going to get benefit us also and benefit to other hospitals which are going to opt for their product. So I wish best of luck to them. Okay, and they are very they are technology hungry. Okay, and also they come up with the new ideas which benefits indirectly to the hospital in the term of cost saving, you can say cost saving, turnaround time, and also manpower saving. So I wish them best of luck, and I vouch for this software, and I wish them best of luck to move ahead and do a lot of developments in this segment.